Hello, guys. Okay, item number 17. Item number 17. 30 plus na to. Okay, pagod mo. Anyway, so puprove natin to for all integers a, b, and c. A squared plus b squared is equal to c squared. Then either a is even or b is even. So puprove ko to by contradiction. So kung mapuprove ka by contradiction, you assume this, you assume your original assumption, eto, and assume the negation of your conclusion. So in-assume ko, let it be integer kasi ang negation nito by De Morgans. Again, ang negation nito is by De Morgans. By De Morgans, A is odd and B is odd. So, yan yung negation ng conclusion. So, yan yung negation ng conclusion. Kaya ito yung inassume ko, let A and B be odd integers. Tapos assume natin na A squared plus B squared is equal to C squared. So, the goal is, makarating tayo na along the proof may contradiction. So, by definition ng odd, A is equal to 2K plus 1, B is equal to 2R plus 1, and may kulang B to this. For some integers, K and R. So, ayun. So, dagdag nyo na lang dito yung for some integers, K and R. Tapos, thus, by substitution, A squared plus B squared, so, arithmetic, FOIL method, gano'n, addition, combine like terms. So, by combining like terms, so, inassume mo kasi ito, A squared plus B squared is equal to C squared. Pero napakita mo na A squared plus B squared equal siya dito. Tapos by closure property, ito kasi integers yan. Kasi yung KR ko and 1 tsaka 2 ay integers. So, yung mga sum and product nun ay also integer. So, kaya ko isulat for some integer Q. So, para lang po, mas madali isulat. So, ibig sabihin, itong nasa loob, equal lang yan sa Q. So, yung C squared ko is even. So, my C squared is even. So, hence C squared is even. So, C is even. So, I is equal to 2S for some integer N. Pero kasi, puprove natin itong claim na to. So, magpuprove tayo within the proof. So, itong C squared is even, so C is even. Ang proof na to is contraposition. So, assume mo yung negation ng conclusion. So, let's see the odd. Tapos, C is equal to 2M plus 1 for some integer, for some integer M. So, ang dami ko palang tulang. Lagot ako kay mama. Anyway, so, pag in-square ko to, C squared equals to M plus 1 squared. So, arithmetic. So, by combining like terms, etong 2M squared plus M by closure property, kasi integer to. Kasi M is integer, so M squared is integer. Tapos 2 times M squared is also an integer. So, yung sum nila is also an integer. So, ang tawag doon is closure property. So, meron kang 2M plus 1. Yung N is equal to this. So, para lang madali isulat. So, dahil 2N plus 1, C squared is odd. So, by contraposition, C squared is even, if C is even. Okay. So, yan yung kaya ko nasulat. So, pinove ko lang siya. Baka kasi hanap. So, going back dun sa original proof, so yung C squared, equal siya dito. Ito, equal siya dito. So, C squared is equal daw dyan. Tapos, sinubstitute ko yung 2S. So, 2S squared, 2S squared is equal to 4S squared. Eh, kaya siya ganyan. Tapos, dito, 4S squared is equal to blah, blah, blah. Tapos, ito, nilipat ko sa kabila. 80 is, magkakaroon ka na. 4S squared minus 4K squared minus 4R squared minus 4K minus 4R. So, ayan yung nangyari dyan. Di ba? So, nilipat ko lang. Tapos, pwede mo i-factor. So, pag pinactor mo to, magiging 4 times S squared minus K squared minus R squared minus K minus R equals 2. Kasi naiwan yung 2 dyan. Etong S squared minus K squared minus R squared minus K minus R, dito is an integer by closure. So, pansin nyo, gamit na gamit yung closure. Closure properties, gamit na gamit. Tapos, so kaya ko siya isulat as Z for some integer Z. Kasi integer to. So, yung 4Z is equal to 2. Yung 4Z is equal to 2, this implies 4 divides 2. But this is a contradiction kasi 4 does not divide. Diba? Kasi ang sinasabi na to, 4Z is equal to 2, sinasabi na 4 divides 2. Pero hindi naman pwede yun kasi 2 is not, uh, 2 is not divisible by 4. Kasi you cannot because 2, 4. Because you cannot write 2 is equal to 4 times k for some integer k. Okay, so ibig sabihin yan yung contradiction. So dahil may contradiction kang nahanap, wala kang choice kundi tanggapin nyo or yung negation nung inassume mo, which is this. Yung let A, B be odd integer. So dahil nag-contradict siya along the way, it must be the case. So ito yung totoo. A is even or B is even. So therefore, A is even or B is even. Ayan, tapos na.